guys, science time. Today's experiment number 3, you don't need too many things. You need 3 tall, clear drinking glasses. You need salt. Got my big container. You need a measuring spoon for your salt. You need a measuring cup for water. You need 3 eggs. And you need to label them. You could use a dry erase marker on the actual drinking cups yourself, or I just grabbed some sticky notes and put letters A, B, and C on them. All right? And double check. Yeah, that's all you need. All right, so here we go. First, you get your 3 cups set up. I have my labels on them, so I remember which one is which. And then every single one gets 1 cup of water. All right, after you get your 3 cups filled, next you take your salt. This is 4 teaspoons. That's 4 teaspoons. You can't even see the writing. It's teaspoons of salt. Okay, 4 teaspoons of salt. I pre-measured it. This isn't a random amount of salt. I actually measured 4 teaspoons of salt. And you put them into your B and give it a stir. And you also put them into your C and give it a stir as well. You're stirring to dissolve the salt as much as possible. We did a salt experiment before, right? So we know rapid stirring, sorry, it's so clanky. Rapid stirring, stirring vigorously and fast. Temperature could play a factor, but this is just regular tap water. I didn't make it hot or cold. It's just kind of in between. Anyway, stir it all up. And then once you do that, you put your eggs into the cup. You make sure you're not just like slamming them in. The goal is not to break the egg. So you can kind of use your spoon to help you ease it down into the water. But you put your 3 eggs in and you see what happens. And then after you observe and record what happens, then you fill this up with more water until it's almost full to the top by slowly pouring it in. So like that, not super fast with the egg already in it. So at this point you have an egg into each container and you're slowly filling it. I did even fill it a little bit more than that, up to the top with the egg inside and seeing if that changes what you got from the last stage. So the A container is your control, meaning you did nothing different. So how is this different from this? And then when you add more water to it, how is this different from this? And how is this different from this? All right, so I'm going to go make my girls do it, and I'll have a results video that you can compare what you got to what we got. But keep in mind that you should be doing these experiments. I'm trying really hard to find experiments that you don't need anything special. So like salt and eggs, I had that at home already, and I figured you guys probably did too. So go ahead and check that out. See what happens when you put an egg into each of those containers. And then after you compare these, well, once these are the same, when you start slowly filling this with water up until the top and see what the difference is between your 3 cups. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.